quick and healthy dinner recipes for busy weeknights. Are you ready to make your weeknight dinners both quick and nutritious? Say goodbye to takeout and hello to homemade magic. These recipes will have you savoring each bite while nourishing your body. Perfect for those health-focused yet short-on-time evenings. Imagine a colorful plate full of fresh vegetables, each bite bursting with flavor. In just 20 minutes, you can whip up a delightful veggie stir-fry. Packed with vitamins and paired with a side of brown rice, this dish keeps you energized and satisfied throughout the evening. Ready in under 30 minutes, grilled lemon salmon is a perfect protein-packed meal. With a zesty lemon touch and crispy skin, it's not only delicious, but also rich in omega-3s for that heart-healthy boost. Pair it with steamed asparagus for a complete, nutritious dinner. No need to complicate things. A simple quinoa salad serves as a wonderful side. With cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a spritz of lemon, your plate will sing with vibrant flavors. This salad complements any main dish while adding fiber and essential nutrients to your diet. Now it's your turn to transform your weeknight dinners. With minimal prep and cooking time, enjoy meals that are as good for your body as they are for your taste buds. Hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy meal ideas, and share your favorite dinner recipes with us in the comments below. Let's take this delicious journey together.